Good evening, everyone. This is a short video on Google Classroom. I hope everyone is familiar with the process of Google Classrooms now, and that is how to create a class, how to join the class. So you shall use either your Gmail ID or your SRM ISD email ID. Okay, let me use my Gmail ID, and with Gmail ID, you shall create a class with these parameters. So class name, section, room, and subject. Okay, once we create the class, we shall be able to identify the class code, and this class code we'll have to share it with the students. And once the students shall use the same class code to join with your class. Once the students joins, make sure every student has joined here this class code 18 CSS 202J. Okay, once the student has joined, you shall, in the classwork, you shall upload your materials, questions, and assignments. Materials, unit 1, unit 2, unit 3 PPTs you can dump in. And questions, you shall raise any sort of question. What is the size of IPv6? Simple question we'll ask. IPv6 address. Okay, instructions, any optional instructions, and the points, 1 point we shall give, only 1 point. And due date you can specify within 26th of this month. Let them answer the question, and this should be a multiple choice question. IPv6, it is 128 bits. Add option 32 bits. Add option 16 bits. 32 bytes. Okay, and the topic, whatever topic you have, when you upload the material, whatever topic you have specified, that will be reflected here, and this topic will be on so it's subnetting. Okay, and raise the question and upload the question. Okay, once the question is uploaded, it will be reflected here in the classwork. Already we have asked for another question, what is the size of port address, and the students have answered. Two students have answered just before I have added the question, and 2 students have answered these questions, and Adyasha Patnaik and the other one. Okay, he has answered what is the size of port address. He has answered 16 bits. So assign the mark for him. Add mark 1 and return. Okay, so he has submitted the answer and you are returning. Okay, back, and this guy has answered 16 bits. Yes, he also got 1 mark. Okay, return. Okay, fine, we have assigned the mark. Okay, fine. So this is how you shall raise the question. And this one, assignment, you shall go for, if you want to raise any MCQ questions. I have created a Google form with a set of 40 questions here, 40 questions, and this Google Forms link, you shall attach it, link. The title is on, it's a practice test. And points, 40 questions that we have given. So in the Google form itself you will get all those points. So you'll have to verify that Google Forms points, and you'll have to add here. So the due date, you shall specify it as 30th of this month, and topic again we'll add submitting, or we are asking from the whole syllabus actually. Okay, save, fine. And now we have added. Okay, we have added. Okay, the assignment material, we have added the link of the Google form. So once they take this test, and view live form. Okay. So once they takes this test, and you'll be getting the responses. Google Forms, you'll be getting the responses. Nobody has responded. Just now we have uploaded. Okay. So in that response, you can find the marks of the students, and these marks you can assign it here. Assign it for everyone. Once they have submitted, you can assign the marks, and you shall return it. So this is how you shall raise the question, and you shall conduct a simple practice test or MCQ tests. Okay. Thank you. Bye.